In this ukulele video, I'm going to go over what D7 chord is right. All right, so I got this question from a customer, member, I like member is a better word, over at ukelikethepros.com. That's my instructional ukulele site, the #1 site to learn the ukulele. Check it out if you want courses and or memberships as well. That's really the key. This question came in is, she went over 2 different D7 chords and she's asking which one is right, which one is really the D7 chord. I'm going to explain that in this video, but first, hi, welcome, I'm Terry Carter. This is You Like the Pros. This is your source for ukulele, guitarlele, and baritone reviews and tutorials right here. If you're new or haven't done so, please subscribe, turn on that bell notification. Also, go give me a follow over on Instagram. That's at Uke Like the Pros. So this is one of the most interesting chords here on the ukulele, which is the D7 chord. Because I show it and teach it in a lot of my courses, especially some of the beginner courses like this. But a member was saying they saw a chord like this. And she was wondering which one is right. Well, they're both right. I want to explain a little bit about each one. So this is the D7 chord. This is your open position chord. What does that mean? It just means that you have at least one open string. All right, so this one is like your easy version right here. Man, this Aloha Mango. Woo, sounds amazing. But I do have these over at my store too. I do have an online store, the #1 store online, which is stored at ukelikethepros.com. If you want one of these, or we got Guitarlele, we got Ramirez Creation, we got a bunch of fantastic ukuleles over there. All right, back to the chord. This D7 chord, this is like your simple open position one. But this as well is a D7. Now this one's a little tougher because it's a bar chord, and you got to add your first finger here, or your second finger there. All right, so that's D7 too. Now, little pro tip here. This D7 chord is an interesting chord on ukulele because it sounds like a D7 when you're playing it, but there's actually no root in it. What does that mean? There's actually no D note in the chord, which is very unusual for a chord to be named D7 and not have a D note in it. But if you're playing this like you're playing a blues, it totally gives you that sound that you want in that D7 chord. All right, so that's an easy version, D7. This is a harder version, D7 with the bar. This works better for certain styles, maybe jazz, stuff like that. But if you see D7 in your song, feel free to grab either one you want. This one, boom, or this one, and they both work for you. So there you go. 2 D7 chords for the price of 1. Anyway, thanks for being here. Check out ukelikethepros.com if you're ready to take your playing to the next level, become part of the worldwide community that we have established, and also check out store.ukelikethepros.com if you're ready to get a Aloha Mango. All right, thanks for being here, and we'll see you next time.